Cook it, eat it and keep saying whatever. 15 vegetable biryani in a rice cooker. The rice is got the butter, the vegetables have yogurt and everything. Lot of these vegetables. Just put it on top. Rice is ready. All you need to do is just mix it with this. You will get a perfect biryani with full flavor, with the vegetables, everything. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. And today, as part of our rice cooker recipes, we have done many and people have just liked it. And recently in one of the, Big Bazaar live cooking, I did this 15 vegetable biryani in a rice cooker. Many have requested to do it again in a smaller version. So here I have got 2 cups of rice and adding 4 cups of water. And all you need to be careful is about the salt. Add salt, mix it, check the water, and it should be just like perfect sea salt water. This is good, and all you need to do is put it in the rice cooker. Another thing is you can add some freshly crushed ginger garlic. So do not use ginger garlic paste which you have kept in the fridge. Especially with the rice, you got to use fresh ginger garlic. Add some mint. With the vegetables, I am going to use oil. With the rice, I am going to add some butter. To make it even more flavorful, we are going to use the whole spices, 1 bay leaf, and rest of the things, it's up to you. You want to add, you can add, because anyway, I am going to use some biryani masala also. Clove, cinnamon, star anise, little bit of shai jeera. Mix all of this. Switch on the rice cooker. And it is going to take around 12 to 14 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are going to saute these vegetables with nice biryani masalas and make a perfect 15 vegetable biryani in a rice cooker. I am going to use a lot of vegetables, as I told you, 15 vegetables. So first add oil, and in this add onions and a little bit of leftover garam masala here. Add slices of onion. We are going to slightly color these onions, and then we are going to add the vegetables also at the same time. Here I have got beans, carrot, broccoli, any kind of vegetables you can add. If you are adding capicum, you can add it little later, but rest of the vegetables, everything, rich gourd, the bottle gourd, including the fresh chana. And here I have got brinjal, sweet potato, all kind of vegetables you can add to this. In the season is available raw turmeric. So I am going to just grate some raw turmeric onto these vegetables. Add some red chilli, some tomatoes, and in this we are going to add some biryani masala, some chilli powder. I love to add a little bit of coriander powder, yogurt. Now all of these will make these vegetables very, very flavorful. I am going to let these vegetables cook till they are 60% done, and rest 30 to 40% will be cooked in the rice cooker along with the rice. In this, add the leftover mint, some coriander, whatever the amount of salt you need for the vegetables, just add that, because in the rice I have already added the salt perfectly. Now just saute these vegetables. The moisture from the yogurt will coat these vegetables. Let these vegetables cook in the steam that it produces. By the time much of the moisture is absorbed by the rice, the vegetable also will be cooked like 70%. You can see there is still some amount of moisture. What we do is, the curd what we added, everything almost evaporated, but a lot of these vegetables, just put it on top. The capsicum what I did not add before, I am just going to add to that. Add rest of the vegetables. Even broccoli, you could have added it later. Spread it on top. Squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. Of course, all the fresh vegetables still that will get. You have to wait for the rice cooker to go off by itself. After few more minutes, this is ready. All you need to do is mix it, serve it. Rice is ready. All you need to do is just mix it with this. You will get a perfect biryani with full flavor. The rice is got the butter, the vegetables have yogurt and everything nice. With all the vegetables and everything, look at the rice, perfect. with the vegetables, everything. For a lot of people who are a little bit worried, how to make the biryani and all that, use this rice cooker method and you'll always get it perfect. Full flavor with that yogurt. This is just out of the world. A lot of people say vegetable biryani is not at all a biryani. This is the kind of debates we used to do in college, but on the web, oh my God, people can debate a lot, but by itself, this is just excellent. Even with raita or anything with the other curries also, you can enjoy it. Cook it, eat it, and keep saying vareva. Hello, I am your Vahchef Sanjay Tuma. Big Bazaar presents Cook Along, India's first digital cooking class. As part of the Sankranti celebrations, I am going to make vegetable biryani with 15 vegetables in a rice cooker. The ingredients are there. You can take a screenshot if you wish. Now that the vegetable biryani is ready, I am going to make burelu. This is like a savory dumpling which is fried. This also can be enjoyed as a breakfast or as a snack. Let's look at this. Here is our Sankranti special recipe ready. We're going to make a lot more recipes. Till then, subscribe to Big Bazaar Food channel. Hello, I am your Vahchef Sanjay Tuma. Big Bazaar presents Cook Along, India's first digital cooking class. Today, as part of the Sankranti celebrations, I am going to make sweet pongal. This is such an awesome thing, but the ingredients are on the screen. Do not forget to take a screenshot. Now that you have seen how to make this awesome sweet pongal, I am also going to make a sweet fried dumpling, what we call burelu, which is again a very festive thing. Again, you can look at the ingredients here, take a screenshot if you wish. Here is our Sankranti special recipe ready. We're going to make a lot more recipes. Till then, subscribe to Big Bazaar Food channel.